next SM Aura in New Valley, SM Yulo Premier. Konting trivia lang no, that New Valley was originally owned by Yulo family, one of the richest families in the South. Originally ang New Valley is a sugarcane plantation before siya i-acquire ni Ayala. Nung in-acquire siya ni Ayala, at least a piece of New Valley sa part ng commercial is may retain pa din kay Yulo. Na ngayon gagawin siyang mall, which is SM Yulo Premier. Ang kagandahan sa mall na ito, para siyang mga style na mga luxury malls sa Singapore. It's a 3-hectare na mall na with one indoor na air-conditioned na garden. So aside from the existing na Ayala Mall Soledad 1, 2, and 3, we have the Vista Mall, the Paseo of Greenfield. Isa ito sa mga additional malls na may experience natin sa New Valley. And if may property ka dito sa New Valley, kung nag-iisip ka ng potential rental market in the future, of course, we have workers from this mall. We have the CBDs of